This is Adobe Photoshop Principal and Essential course for beginner. So you learned lots of things about the design, and right now we will learn about earning money by graphics design work. Right now I am going to show you some ways, and at first I want to introduce with you a website named GraphicRiver.net. This is a website from Envato Market, and it's one of the most popular website for graphics designer in this world. And you can earn plenty of money from this website. You can sell your created product like logo, business card, mock-up, CV, cover, flyer, and many more things you can create and you can start selling in here. So as an example, let me show you some graphics product. So let me search logo. Okay, and let's select the best sellers. Okay, so here is one of the mock-up pack. So let me open it, and here is a resume design. So let me open this resume. Okay, so here is the mock-up, and the designer, he want to sell this mock-up for $8, and for each and every sale the designer will generate $8. But the $8, he will not get this entire $8 because Envato have some fees. So this designer could earn up to $5 or $6 for each sale. So let's take a look how many sales this designer got from this logo mockup pack. He total have 5,749 sale. So let's open the calculator. He total get 5,749 sale, and for each sale, suppose we guess he got $5 for each sale after providing the commission to GraphicRiver. So let's get for $5 and let's calculate it. He earned $28,745 from this logo mockup. And let's open the resume. Okay, so here is a mono resume design, and the designer, he fixed $7 for each cell, and Envato will take some fees. So the designer will earn up to $5 from this design. So let's take a look how many sales he have. He also have $5,137. So actually this is a type of passive income. So you just have to work on and you will get sale for a long time. And this is one of the good side that GraphicRiver, you can get the royalty income from here, and you will get the passive sales for a long time here. So you have to start selling your product, like you can start selling your logos, you can start selling your business card, t-shirt design, resume, mockups, and many more things you can start selling. So this is one of the best site in the world named GraphicRiver. You can start earning money from here. And now we will go for Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a micro freelancing site. Here you have to create your gigs, and the buyer will find out the gigs, and buyer can hire you from this website. So let's take a look how it will generate money from this website. Let me write logo design. Here is some results of logo design, and you can take a look. This is one of the gig, and in this gig it said, I will do creative, unique, modern, minimalist business logo design, and for each logo design this person will charge $25, and he have total 4.8 rating out of 5, and he total have 1000 review. That means he earned a lot. So you have to create some gigs in this website, and buyer will search for specific categories or for a specific purpose. Like if I need a logo designer, then I will search here for a logo designer, and you have to create some gigs that you can create a logo design for $25. And if your gigs found workable for me, then I will contact with you and I will hire you for my design. And you can take a look, it's have so many graphics designer, and they have the gigs in here, and different people have different type of budget for graphics designing. So you have to create some gigs in here, and I prefer not go for higher price. I will prefer starting from 20 to maximum 40 or $45. You have to create the gigs in between this range, then you will get some good attention from buyer. And of course you must have to have some good review as well. So therefore you have to focus on your quality work. So this is how you will earn money from a Fiverr. And now we will discuss about a freelancing site named freelancer.com. Here you will have to find the work yourself. In Fiverr, buyer will find you, and in freelancer.com you have to find the buyer. This is the difference between Freelancer and Fiverr. In Fiverr you just have to create your own gigs, and then buyer will contact with you by watching your offers. And here buyers are offering some jobs for you, and you have to complete the jobs. So let's take a look some example. So here is the option for browse jobs. So let me click on this browse jobs option. Okay, so let's write some keyword. Let me write logo design, and let's search it. Okay, so here is a project, graphics design logo branding project, and let me open this project to show you. And let's open this project, logo design project, and let me explain you how these projects are really working. Okay, so name of this project is logo design, and budget for this project is minimum $10 to maximum $30. Actually this is an average, and here is the description about this task and the skill required for this project. And these are logo design, graphics design, Photoshop and Illustrator. Okay, and here is the information about the buyer, and he is from South Africa, and you have to submit your bid by reading this information, and you have to place your bid in between $10 to $30. And you can take a look, 67 freelancer already placed their bid for this task, I mean for this project. You can take a look, this person, he total have 4,585 review, and he placed $25 for this project, and he will complete this task within 1 day. And you can take a look, here are many more person placed their bid in here, and some of they're asking it that she's asking $20 for this task, and she will complete this task within 1 day. And this person, he also asked $20 and he will take 2 days, and here is the review. So if you want to get graphics design project from this website, you have to sign up this website in freelancer.com, and then you have to start bidding. So this is the process how you can get money by graphics designing. And there are more websites like 99 Design, Teespring, and many more websites are available where you can generate the money from internet to work like a graphics designer. So if you want to really earn money from internet, so you just have to start signing up in the sites, and you have to start selling on GraphicRiver. You have to create the gigs on Fiverr.com, and you have to sign up in Freelancer.com to place your bid in different type of graphics design projects.